So I purchased this at Ulta, reading a lot of good reviews about IGK color deposit mask, and so I wanted to give it a go. My hair is a little dry, it needs a little more shine. It's not super shiny. Moon Dance, and it's supposed to give you a little bit more color, like a bluish tint to it, but also just dark. You are supposed to wear gloves. So I went to Sally's and I got these for about $6. You get 10, and I'll link everything in my LTK. Perfect. Will stain, so use an old t-shirt. Apply generously to clean hair and distribute evenly. Leave for 1 to 5 minutes on wet hair for sheer color effect, or 10 to 15 minutes on dry hair for an intense color effect. My hair's dry, and I'm gonna do the 15 minutes. Doing the first half of my hair. Some color blue. I actually found this by searching for a gloss. I wanted my hair just to be really shiny, and I found the Moon Dance color on TikTok. I think there was another person that was putting it on to revive their dark hair. Since then, I've been wanting to try it. It actually smells really, really good. Should have put some Vaseline around my neck, my hairline. I just didn't think I would need it. I really like the way it smells, so I'm gonna have to try other products. I wonder if they have shampoo or conditioner. Oh geez, making quite the mess. Ah. It's already looking really good. Really like it. I stained my sweater a little bit, but I think this will come off when I wash it. It's very little. I think it looks very shiny, very healthy. It looks fake. What do you guys think? I really like it. It looks really shiny. It feels healthier. Feels really healthy. It feels a lot healthier, and I love the way it looks so dark and rich.